I just love colours. They make the world so colourful. So here is a film about colours in Kernewek. Let's go.
I don't know how I feel about you cooking tea tonight, really, Liam.
What are you on about? I done a course online, man.
Really?
Yes, I know how to cook, man. Then you all worry.
Oh.
It's all about the colour of health, isn't it?
Is it?
Yes.
Hallelujah.
Glas. Packed with bits. Here, Ottomma the balls.
Grass?
Oh yeah, you got one of those new smartphones with me.
Yeah, I have actually, yeah.
I got a new phone, mate.
Have they?
Yeah, some none of those boring black shades either, mate.
Oh, Hallelujah.
Laws. Here she is. Radon 429, got 12 apps, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi on it. It's all right.
Do you realise that's a small bit of granite, don't you?
You buggering bugger, one-eyed pig, you bugger, you bugger, you bugger, you bugger, you bugger.
Well, after what happened last night, I'll cook tea. But we haven't got much time, so I'm going to use a little bit of magic to turn that boring brown potato into a delicious yellow mashed potato. Alright?
Yeah. Go on then.
Hallelujah. Gell. Hallelujah.
Melyn. Although, there is some bloody comedy fake teeth in there. Gast!
Where's the suitcase? Where's the suitcase?
I think I might have found one by skate park.
Hallelujah.
Ruth?
Oh, the one I was looking for was grey.
Ooh, sozzers.
Come on, Liam. No! Come on, it's the last game of the season.
No, because last week they had pips in the oranges at half time. Pips.
What can I say to convince you?
Purpur.
Purpur. Purpur. Purpur.
Purpur.
Oh. To the rugby club! Away! Rudhvelyn! Down on it.
Gast. Rudhvelyn!
Petroc.
Down.
This is a stupid game.
Decided to treat myself today.
Oh yeah? What'd you get?
Got myself some new dancing jeggings.
Hallelujah?
Glas.
So there you have a little introduction to colours in Kernewek.
Makes you wonder though, doesn't it?
What's that?
What's the best colour?
I've got 2 colours.
2 colours. Ah. Gwynn White.
So use it if you want. Don't use it if you don't want. Get the Cornish Oafs.
Who are you?